When you have children, you don't pay when you can. You got to pay every month for child support because you have to financially support them. They have to eat, have lights, have water. And the state of Texas says both parents have to provide that. Not when you can, but monthly. Thank you. 39 on the docket calls 2415980. Paternity SAPS or AOP filed by the state. Would the parties please raise their right hands? You do solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
Okay. You can put your hands down. Ms. Hannah, please state your first and last name.
Hannah Urias.
And Mr. Jesus, your first and last name, sir.
Jesus Escamilla.
And counsel for the state.
Joyce Watchko for the Office of the Attorney General.
And what do we have, counsel?
Your Honor, we do have a proposed order ready. However, I believe Mr. Escamilla may have a request before the court regarding the children that are party to this case.
In
terms of possible DNA.
Oh, okay. All right, go ahead. Because I'm like, the hearing. Okay.
I didn't want to speak for him.
Okay. All right. So let's have a hearing on that. You may proceed, counsel.
All right. I will call Jesus Escamilla. Sir, were you requesting DNA testing today?
No, I was asking about it, but I'm not requesting it.
Okay. So is it that you're ready to proceed to getting it today, correct?
I'm ready to proceed.
Okay.
Right.
And you're stating that you're not requesting a DNA testing on any of the children?
Right. Correct.
Okay.
All right. Now, you understand this is your one and only chance of asking for that. And if you have any doubts,
Go ahead and give it to him.
Wait 1 second, ma'am. This is the day to ask because they're going to be moving forward asking me to find that you are the father of the children subject to this case. And that'll be the order. So this would be the day to ask.
Right. That's fine. I understand.
All right. And what you're saying is you're fine. You're not requesting any DNA. And then they're going to ask if you're admitting that you're the father on the record and you're ready to move forward. Is that what you're saying, sir?
I'm ready to move forward.
Okay. All right, counsel. So now what do we have?
We have a contested hearing. So I'm going to ask for 20 minutes.
Okay. You may proceed.
Thank you. First, I will go ahead and call Hannah Urias. Ma'am, can you state the name of the children that's party to this case?
I'm sorry, can you repeat that? You cut out.
Can you state the name of the children that are party to this case?
Jimena Michelle Escamilla, Alicia Anaí Ruby Escamilla, Sebastian Antonio Escamilla.
Okay. And you are the mother of these children, correct?
Yes, I am.
And who is the father?
Jesus.
What's the full name?
Escamilla.
And where do who do the children currently reside with?
With Jesus in his mother's house.
So right now the children live with Mr. Escamilla, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, when these children were conceived or born, were you married to Mr. Escamilla or anyone else?
No, I wasn't married.
Could anyone else besides Jesus Escamilla be the father of these children?
Unfortunately not.
And you're in agreement that last name of the children will continue to be Escamilla, correct?
Yeah.
Has there been any family violence between you and Mr. Escamilla?
A long time ago, yes.
When you say a long time ago, what was the month and year of that incident?
2021.
Do you remember what month?
July, maybe July or something.
Maybe July 2021. What occurred?
I really can't remember what exactly we were arguing about.
Well, asking what you're arguing about. Did he put his hands on you first? Did vice versa destroy each other's property? Restraining orders, protective orders, police involved? That's specifically.
I mean, police got involved, yes, because.
But wait, let's go back. You said there had been. Did he put his hands on you first?
There has been both domestic violence on both sides. So, I mean, I
Okay.
can't really give you all the dates now. I figured that they could like look it up. I don't know.
No.
No.
What I need you to do though is to listen to the question, okay?
Okay.
And what specifically is being asked of you right now is you're stating he put his hands on you first in a specific incident.
The last time that I got incarcerated for him was in 2021, and the last time that he got incarcerated for me, I believe, was in 2021, but like a few months later.
Okay, so I want to talk about first when he put his hands on you, then we'll talk about it the other way.
The tension rises quickly. Under careful questioning, the mother admits both parents were involved in domestic violence incidents.
So specifically, what happened when he put his hands on you? Did he hit you, punch you? What
Yeah, he hit me.
specifically? Okay. And then the police was called
Yes.
and he was arrested?
Yes.
Was a case filed because of it?
I think charges were dropped.
Okay. Have you ever been granted any restraining orders or protective orders against him?
Yes, automatically the ones that they just give you offer, but I never renewed or anything like that.
So they have expired.
Yes.
Okay. Now, have you put your hands on him first
Yes, I have.
and you were arrested?
Yes, I was.
And what happened to that case?
I did my time for it.
Okay, so it wasn't dropped.
No.
Okay. And was he granted any restraining orders or protective orders against you?
I don't know about that because anytime I was in jail, I just stayed there the whole entire, it was like 2 weeks, but I don't know.
Okay. All right. Go ahead, Ms. Wanchiku.
Do you have any safety concerns for yourself or your children if your contact information is placed in this order, Ms. Urias?
No, I don't.
Now, are you in agreement with Mr. Escamilla continuing to be the primary parent of the children?
At the moment, yes.
If the court finds that there's been family violence, do you understand that they can only appoint one parent as the sole managing conservator?
Can you clarify more about that? She did say something like that, but I don't understand.
So, are you in agreement with Mr. Escamilla being, at this time, being appointed the sole managing conservator? He gets to make the decisions regarding the children.
Is that the same thing as full custody?
Okay, so you don't get to ask her questions. She asks you questions. If you guys need to go back to the breakout room, that's fine. But she
Okay.
asks you questions. If I find family violence, it's automatically sole managing conservatorship because I can't appoint it as joint managing. We'll get to visitation to see what's the request regarding, and if it's family violence, there's an automatic non-disclosure finding, ma'am. Okay, go ahead, counsel for the state.
Do you currently visit the children?
When I can, yes. When he allows it, yes. I just saw them recently.
Okay. And how old are the children?
7, 6, and 2.
When you've seen the children, have they stayed overnight at your place?
No,
They've never stayed overnight at your place with just you?
it's not my place. No. My kids have special needs, all 3 of them. I don't have
so what is,
anything.
so what is your request when it comes to visitation? How would you like for
I mean,
visitation to go?
whatever you guys are gonna give me, because honestly, we haven't really, when it comes to visitation, we never had any problems. There wasn't a need for supervision.
Ma'am, has CPS ever been involved in your case?
In the past, just based off of the fact that there was domestic violence and my kids were asleep in the next room.
Okay.
But
How long has Dad had the kids in his possession?
it'll be a year in the summer.
And how did he come into possession of all 3 kids?
Okay. So
Short version. Short version.
I
The mother openly admits he currently provides the better home environment, while also explaining each child's developmental and medical challenges.
Me and his mother, well, his mother had to go to jail for me. I was the victim, and I was only with them for the reason being that, yes, we were working on our family, but I don't have a family like that. So I got with Jesus really young. I was 17. I didn't have a foundation or nothing this time around. I'm working on myself to get my own belongings so that
Hey,
I can take care.
let me interrupt you. He's had the children for the last year in his possession, correct?
Correct.
You don't have to tell me, just listen. You're 18 or over, correct?
Yes.
Okay. How is it that he got to keep them? It's just a better home, better environment, they're taking care of them, and you're not able to handle it?
I have nothing to my name.
Okay. All right. So you've decided the best place for them at this time is with dad. Is that correct?
Mhm.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. And you had a discussion with him that he would take the 3 kids because he's more stability and he can handle it. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. You said all 3 have disabilities. What are the disabilities?
My 3-year-old is delayed. She'll be 3 in April. Just speech delayed, but she's slowly getting back up there. My son has autism and I believe ODD. And then Jimena has an intellectual disability.
Okay. All right. So you're not objecting that the children continue to live with dad, are you?
At the moment, no.
All right. And what specific type of visitation are you requesting?
If I could see them throughout the week, the weekend, you know,
Okay.
a couple hours, if I can go for them, if I can get a heads up in time, I can, set up transportation, maybe take them to McDonald's, something.
Okay. Counsel, you may proceed, Ms. Wunsch.
Thank you, Your Honor. Okay. Are you in agreement that the children be maintained on the government health plan as far as their health and dental?
Yes,
Are you currently employed, Ms. Arias?
I'm not employed.
Okay. Do you understand that the state's proposed support amounts are going to be based on a minimum wage presumption?
Yes, I understand.
Do you have any other minor biological children besides the 3 that are before the court today?
No.
Are you in agreement to paying cash medical support of $110 a month beginning May 1st of 2025?
Yes.
Are you in agreement to paying child support of $315 beginning May 1st of 2025?
Yes.
Did you and Mr. Escamilla ever live together as a family unit?
Yes, for
When did
like a
you all stop-
decade.
When did you all stop living together?
Just this past year, 2024.
What, around April 2024? Is that when you all stopped living
No,
together?
it was exactly July 10, 2024.
Okay, so you're saying it's July 10, 2024?
Mm-hmm.
All right. In terms of retroactive medical support and retroactive dental support, are you in agreement that that should not be ordered?
Yes.
And do you understand that you would be responsible for court costs as billed 60 days from today?
And how much is that?
As billed. So whatever the bill may be, do you understand that you would be responsible for
Sure.
that? I'm going to pass Mr. Urias right now and call Mr. Jesus Escamilla. Sir, you're in agreement that you are the father of the 3 children before the court today, correct?
Correct.
And last names 2 of the children to remain as Escamilla.
Right.
Okay. And you heard Ms. Uriah's testimony that there has been mutual family violence between the 2 of you. Would you agree that her testimony is correct?
Right.
And you understand that if there is a family violence finding, the court can only appoint one parent as the sole managing conservator?
Now here's where the father's testimony begins. He formally acknowledges paternity, agrees there was mutual family violence, and requests sole managing conservatorship.
Right.
And are you requesting to be the sole managing conservator of the children?
Yes.
And as the primary parent to designate where the children reside, are you requesting that you not have any geographic restrictions?
There shouldn't be none. My only concern about my only concern is the visitations.
Let's, in terms of you being able to be the parent that designates where the children reside, are you in agreement that you should not have any geographic restrictions, that you can live with the children wherever?
Oh, I agree.
And in terms of visitation, what is your request in terms of mom being able to visit the children?
I would like to recommend supervised visits right now due to the fact that her address is not stable. I'm pretty sure she used a 305 Morningstar, which is one of my addresses, family address.
Okay, so has mom ever harmed the children?
No,
Okay. And whenever she's had visitations with the children, have there been any type of safety concerns
between me and her, yes.
between her and the children?
No,
So why are you requesting that she have supervised visitations now?
because I don't know where she's gonna take the children, and I don't know when she's gonna bring them back.
Are you in agreement if visitation is granted that the visitations take place at the Faith and Liberty place?
I agree.
And moving forward in terms of medical, are you in agreement to maintaining the children on the government health plan for their health and dental?
Yes,
And you're in agreement that Ms. Urias pay $110 a month for cash medical beginning May 1st of 2025?
yes,
And child support of $315 a month beginning May 1st of 2025?
yes.
Now, when did you and Ms. Urias stop living together as a family unit?
I guess it was July.
Okay. Are you requesting any retroactive child support?
Yes,
And the retroactive child support would be from July 2024 till today.
right.
So from July 2024 till today, how much has mom provided to you in terms of the care of the children?
It's been. I wouldn't be able to tell you that. The last amount she ever gave me right now this month was just $90.
$90. So she's giving you $90 this month.
This month, right?
And you would say $90 is all you've received from July 2024 till today?
Right.
Are you asking that the court grant you 9 months of retroactive child support?
Yes.
And that amount would be $2,835 before the $90 credit. And after the $90 credit, the proposed child support, retroactive child support is $2,745. Are you in agreement with this amount?
Yes.
Okay. And would you be agreeable that mom start paying that back at $64 a month beginning May 1st of 2025?
Yes.
Okay. Are you in agreement that there's no retroactive medical support and no retroactive dental support?
Yes.
I will pass Mr. Escamilla and recall Ms. Urias. Ms. Urias, in terms of retroactive child support, are you in agreement to the proposed judgment of $2,745?
I'm not in agreement. I have records, that I can submit when needed.
From July 2024 till today, how much would you say you have provided to Mr. Escamilla in terms of the care of the children outside of birthdays and holidays and gifts?
That man has gotten over $1,000 from me, cash and cash up. I have receipts and documents. Even then, I'm still doing what I can when I can. And throughout this, since I stopped living with him, it doesn't stop him from trying to actively pursue me. That's
Okay.
why I'm
So, ma'am, is
saying
it your testimony that from July 2024 till today, you have provided $1,000 towards the care of the children?
over.
Over, can you advise what is the solid amount that you're saying you have provided towards the care of the children from July 2024 to today?
I can't give the exact amount, but I'm just gonna say like 1,300. But if I could
1,300.
submit evidence at some point,
Did you have discussions about retroactive child support prior to the hearing?
no. But even the last hearing when we got rescheduled, he wasn't looking for back pay, and it doesn't stop him from asking for money and help when he needs it. And when I can, I do it.
And so your
But here's where the courtroom tension spikes. The mother strongly disputes the retroactive balance, insisting she contributed well over $1,000 through cash.
request is that there be $0 in retroactive child support?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to pass the witness and defer to the court.
So, ma'am, you said you're presently unemployed, correct?
Mhm.
Yes?
Yes.
How long have you been unemployed?
Since I was dancing around February 2024.
You were dancing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you said that you haven't been working. How did you give him money for the children?
Whether it was family help, whether I was doing side jobs, whether I was, doing someone's hair, whether I had to go donate plasma, you know, don't get me wrong, he's got money out of me and he knows it. And not
So
just $90.
presently, do not give me your address. Do not tell me the county you live in. Do you live by yourself or do you live with someone else?
I live with someone else.
And they're covering all your expenses?
No.
No?
I have to pay what I can when I can, but she does ask for money. She asks for money for utilities and rent,
Okay.
as she should.
All right. So now I'm going to make my ruling and you both can just listen. So before I make my ruling, when you have children, you don't pay when you can. You got to pay every month for child support because you have to financially support them. They have to eat, have lights, have water. And the state of Texas says both parents have to provide that. Not when you can, but monthly. So this is my ruling. Mutual family violence, mutual non-disclosure findings. Because of that, no joint managing conservatorship. Father will be the managing conservator. So no geographical restriction. Mother, possessory. And visitation at FLP on first and third weekends. That information will be in the order of where to call to set that up. Also, I'm going to put in there, you have to give a 72-hour notice if you plan on exercising your visitation. If you don't, then he doesn't have to bring the children to the facility. Medical 110, child support 315, all beginning May 1st. There'll be a retroactive child support judgment in the amount of $1,900, payout $60 beginning May 1st. Court costs assessed to the young lady. And ma'am, do you live in Dallas County?
I do.
You said you do? I'm gonna authorize the Choices program, and it's not a voluntary program. I can order it by law to get you a job to assist you. Court authorizes the Choices program. Your initial meeting will be today. If you do not participate in the program, in the future, if they file an enforcement action against you, they'll use that against you, that a free jobs program was offered to you to help you support yourself and your children, and you chose not to. Counsel for the state, Is there anything else you need for your order?
No, Your Honor.
All right, sir, you're free to go. Ma'am, wait right here. I'm going to mute you, stop your video. They're going to send you a pop-up to.
The hearing closes with one final order. Beyond court costs, the judge requires the mother to participate in a job placement program, warning that refusing future assistance could seriously affect later enforcement proceedings. With that, the courtroom officially concludes another difficult family law case.